Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay and today I am going to teach you lesson 41 in MS Excel. Today I will teach you how you can create formats for your work, your business, or any other format you need. As you can see on the screen, here I have created a list in which the course content is written, showing which courses I am covering in this. It shows how many courses have been completed and their details will appear below here. Now, for example, if you uncheck this here, you can see that 3 are showing up here. When we click here, it also gets added. So today we are going to talk in detail about how to create such a checklist. But before we start, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, please like and share it. So let's start today's lecture. I have added this data on sheet number 2. After that, what we need to do is go to the developer tool. If the developer tool is not active for you, you can right click anywhere on any tab, click on customize ribbon, and then click on the developer tab like this. After clicking, it will become active for you. After clicking on the developer tool, you need to go to insert and then click here on checkbox from form controls. Click here at this spot and adjust it like this. Then you need to double click inside it, and after double clicking, press shift and end on the keyboard so that the entire text in the checkbox gets selected. If it doesn't select like this, you can also use the backspace key on the keyboard to delete it. So I deleted it. After deleting, click on an empty space here and it will be inserted like this. By right clicking, you can also copy and paste it into different cells. After deleting the data like this, you need to bring the cursor here and resize it inside the cell. Then where you see the plus sign, click there and your cell will be selected like this. Click on the corner and drag it downwards like this. After that, click on an empty space, then right click on this same checkbox. After right clicking, click on Format Control, then go to the Control tab and here click on Cell Link. For the cell link, select the cell that is right next to it. You need to click on this and then click OK. After that, we right click here, go to Format Control, then click on Cell Link, click on the adjacent cell and click OK. Right click, go to Format Control, click on Cell Link, click on the neighboring cell and click OK. Then right click, go to Format Control, and after that click on Cell Link here and click OK. For however many cells you have, you need to link each cell one by one with its adjacent cell. And why do we need to link them? I will explain the benefit of this later on. So go to Format Control, then click here, click on Cell Link, click OK, right click, go to Format Control, click on Cell Link, and click on the adjacent cell. Now after that, as you click here, you will see that wherever you click, tree will be displayed there. In this way, you can see how tree is being shown like this. After that, what you need to do is add a formula here. We want to count the number of times tree appears wherever it is checked and display that count. For this, we will use the COUNTIF formula. You need to write equals to here, then type COUNTIF, open the bracket, and then select all these cells like this. After that, you need to put a comma here, then in inverted commas, specify what you want to count. Here, we want to count tree. Close the inverted commas and close the bracket. And as soon as you press enter, you will see that we have 4 cells selected here, meaning 4 items have been covered here. If we keep checking them, you will see that the number here will keep decreasing, and as we keep clicking, each completed task will be shown here. But just like we selected the assignment at the end here, 5 tasks have now been completed. After that, right click on this column and hide it from here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can create this in MS Excel and display the count. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.